Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and click on your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. Now click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. So you want to scroll down until you see Hide Story and Live. Just go ahead and click on that. Click on that again. Now just go ahead and click on all of your followers so that they cannot view your story. Now click on Done. Click on the home button at the lower left corner of your screen. And now you want to swipe your finger from left to right. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on the album option at the lower left corner of your screen, and then just go ahead and choose the image that you want to add on your highlights. So now just go ahead and edit this and click on your story. Okay. So now the next step is you should wait for 24 hours so that this story will be moved on your archive. Okay. So I won't do that here on the tutorial. So after 24 hours, you want to do is to go on your archive section. Okay. And you should see that or this story. Okay. So now just go ahead and go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. Okay. So now just go ahead and add your highlights at the highlight section. And you should always check your settings and your hide story from, and you should deselect all of your followers here so that they can view your highlight. Okay, and that's it. That is how you add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.